Hi, this is Dakota Peterson. This is question 12. Okay, I finally got this thing to work. This was a bit of a bear, but, okay. So I'm gonna real quick show you the difference between these two machines, just so to clarify that they're not, clones. Okay, so this one, I'm a little scared to power this one down, but I'm going to. Okay, but it has the administrator and the Utah Valley University one. I'm going to power this down. I'm really scared. We're going to find out if this works or not. Okay, just to kind of demonstrate what I did here, we're going to do this first. Okay, so what I did is for question 11 I used the converter for VMDK to VHD, which wasn't right. And so what I ended up doing was opening the VMDK file, and I used this one. This is the one that I converted over. And I ended up saving it. I opened it, and then I used the convert virtual hard disk image after I opened it up. And this is where I stored it. So if we go to Documents, Virtual Machine, so here, question 12, question 12. Now this is where the one we used for class, and this is also the one that I set up, and this is where, if we open this up, this is where this right here is the file that I did all the settings on for this particular project. Okay, so I'm going to go to and show you what I did here. So this is the Windows 10, the fresh install that I did here. Now, as you can see, this is the VMDK for it, but if we go to this one, and virtual machine settings, where it's located, that question 12 VMDK. Anyway, so I installed this using the new adding the new virtual machine. I used the setting for, and I'm just gonna walk it through and I'll cancel it at the last second. So I did this. I did the install operating system later, Microsoft Windows 10. Yeah, this whole deal. If I do next, it's gonna give me a weird error. But okay, yeah. So I did this, and then I had given it a hard disk, and so I went in when it popped up. I went in to edit virtual machine settings, and the one that was there I just removed, and then I added this pre-allocated one that the one that I did from the disk image. Okay, so when I started the video, that first thing that popped up, that was like literally the very first time that this worked. I really hope it works this time, because last time was really cool that it actually worked. We're going to find out, though. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, so just to show off some of the settings that I did that are going to be here. So this password was final project IT2530 UVU exclamation point. Okay, so yeah, it gave me that whole deal. Okay, there's Firefox. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, so there's Firefox. If I go to here, okay, so all right, not now. Okay, that one didn't stick, but I think maybe I was supposed to do that in the local group policy, but I did it here in the settings. Yeah, I think. Yeah, okay, that didn't save. But that's my bad. I should have done it in the local group policy. But let's see. If we go to local group policy, let's take a look at some of the options. So if we go to Windows settings, security settings, account policies, password policy. Okay. Password must meet complexity requirements. That's enabled. If we do lockout policy, 5 invalid logon attempts, 30 minutes for the duration. Okay, this is cool. This is all set. Okay, sorry, I'm like geeking out because this actually worked. I've been spending hours on this. Okay, okay, so that's a couple examples. The last one that I kind of want to try, I'm going to sign out. And I'm going to sign in as that Utah Valley University one. And that one, it should make me do a new password. So, I don't know where I put this one as. Okay, user's password must be changed before signing in. So, I go ahead and change to the new password, and we're going to do final project 1, 2, and then let's do a backslash, not 2 backslash, just 1. Okay, password has been changed. Successful sign in. It's giving me that whole deal. Awesome. This all worked out. Okay. I think that's it for me. Hopefully that's it for you. If you have any questions, email me. But yeah, this works. Awesome. Okay, thank you.